Today we're going to show the basic adjustments on a Model A splitting machine. First adjustment we're going to do, this is where you thin your leather down. The first adjustment we're going to look at is this wheel right here. You either turn it down to this little gauge right here to tell you the thickness you want to end your leather up with. Take a little scrap piece of leather, put it down where you think it needs to be. Run a piece of leather through there, take your micrometer, check the thickness. Then you can adjust it either down a little further for thinner, or back it up just a little bit to make it a little heavier from your sample piece. Next adjustments we're going to look at is the grind rocks that keep your blade sharp. This little wheel right here controls the top grind rock right here that grinds the bottom of the blade. This little wheel right here controls this rock right here, which grinds the top of the blade. You turn them counterclockwise to make them grind a little heavier to keep the blade sharp. You adjust this one right here first to get it to sparking out. You clean your wheels. Adjust the bottom the same amount, have the same amount of sparks on the top and the bottom of the blade where it'll grind evenly at the top and the bottom of the blade. If your wheels get to where they don't grind too well, you have to clean them. This is your little cleaning wheels right here. You slide this over, and as you slide this over, it will clean those wheels. Just slide it out and back about twice, and it'll clean all, and it'll put an even surface on your rock. You slide this one over about twice, like that, and it'll clean the surface on this rock and make it even. And then you tighten this about a couple of turns, maybe 3, to tighten your rock up just a little bit. Turn this one counterclockwise about 2 turns, maybe 3. Get the same amount of fire flowing on each rock to make it grind even on your blade, keep your blade sharp. This right here is a gauge that tells you how much wear that you have made on your blade from grinding and use. So you need to keep that gauge even with the tip of your blade right there. When it gets ground back off of that gauge right there, you back off on these rocks clockwise, both of them, until they quit sparking all together. You take this wheel right here, you'll turn it 1/4 of a turn while watching this gauge right here. That brings your blade forward. Keep it turning 1/4 at a time until your blade lines up with that little gauge mark on this little gauge right here. When you do that, close your door, turn this counterclockwise until you get your sparks flowing on your grind rocks again, even. Turn this one counterclockwise until you get a good fire spark going on that wheel. Then you're good to go. Thank you.